Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful centerpiece for Valentine's. And look at how gorgeous. This is a candy bouquet that I made out of Dollar Tree and I am loving it. And this of course is gonna be for the kids. So isn't it cute? Look at the box. I picked it up at the dollar store. It's that little truck that everybody loves. I added this Avengers lollipop, which I'm sure they're gonna love, that is made out of marshmallow. So this was super affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and use this box that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1. So these are perfect. They come in three sizes. They come in the small, the medium, and the large. So you can't go wrong. You can make a little one, a big one, optional. So the first thing I'm going to add is the styrofoam just so it holds everything together. I don't want anything moving or falling or out of place. Now this candy arrangement is so cute. I'm going to add some tissue at the top just so everything looks really nice and neat, just how I like it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, you can add as much styrofoam and tissue as you like. I'm just going to go ahead and add another piece so nothing moves. I like it nice and sturdy, but it's up to you. You can even change the tissue to different colors. So go ahead, grab some goodies, and let's get started. Now, I went to Walmart to pick up all the candy. I picked it up all at Walmart. The only thing I picked up at the dollar store were these adorable boxes. The first thing I picked up was this heart marshmallow that was only $1, if you can believe it. They come in different colors. They come in pink, they come in purple, they come in every color you want for Valentine's. So I decided to go ahead and get this red one since I already have the blue one, just to mix it up a little bit in color. And it is so cute. They're little marshmallow hearts. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in the middle. And look at how sturdy it holds up. The next thing I'm going to add is this Reese's King Size Hearts, and this was also $1. So I'm going to go ahead and use a skewer stick, and I'm going to use some hot glue gun. So make sure your hot glue gun is running at all times, and it's very easy. All I'm going to do is add some hot glue, add my stick to it, and let it dry. Make sure when you're doing these things that you let them dry, just so nothing moves or nothing falls apart. It's that easy. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of these Dove Hearts milk chocolate. And what I'm going to do to these are very simple. I'm going to use a skewer stick as well. And I'm going to glue them on there. I'm going to go ahead and glue 3 to a stick. So I have a couple of them. All you do is add a little bit of of glue with your gun, and you let it dry. So you're going to add a little piece and you're going to let it dry and you're going to move it down the line, and it's going to be that simple. And you add it and you let it dry. Now you're going to do the same steps with any little candy you have, just so it looks really cute. Make sure you don't glue them too close together, because if you do, it's not going to come out the way you want it. So just take your time and make a couple of these, and when you're done with them, you're ready to put your bouquet together. And look at, I went ahead and I made a couple of them just so I can move this video right along. The steps are very easy. Now this is so cute. This was also $1, and they had SpongeBob. They had I think they had Minnie Mouse, I'm not sure, but they had a bunch of little characters of marshmallows, and I decided to get Captain America because I know they love it. The boys are going to love it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chocolate bar on the side. So just go ahead and push it in. If it's hard, that's fine. It's not going to move once you add the styrofoam. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the little chocolate ones just on the side. You can move everything around. Make sure you move it just how you like it. I'm going to add one in the middle as well, and then one on the outside. So you can make as many as you want of these and just move everything around. Add some tall, cut some down. You can add a ton of stuff to this. You can also use dollar store candy as well. I think that'll look cute. And I am loving the height. And don't worry, the boxes are well made that they're not gonna fall apart. Now be careful when you add your marshmallow head. You don't want to squish it because it is marshmallow and you don't want it to fall apart on you. So just push it from the bottom and it goes in and nice and sturdy. And look at how cute that looks. It looks adorable. Now the next, I'm going to go ahead and add another one. And I kind of want this to go in more. So all you have to do is cut the skewer stick from the bottom and add it. And look at how different it's going to look. So you can make some tall, some short. It's optional. The next thing I'm going to add are these cute lollipops. And they are shaped in a heart. All I'm going to do is cut these big and tall, and as you can see in the middle it has a rose shape. I picked these lollipops at the dollar store and they come, I think you get like 8 of them for $1, so it was perfect. I used half for one of the centerpieces and then half for the other. So all I'm doing is moving them around, cutting them short, leaving them tall, and just putting them anywhere I need to fill in. Now look how cute these arrangements are coming out. I'm sure anyone you give them to is going to be happy you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, you guys. And comment down below if you have any extra questions or advice or tips. I'm always happy to hear them. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm almost done. And you can actually add tissue in the bottom if you like to. I had no need for it. I was really happy with the results. And here you go. And here we are. We have two adorable arrangements ready for Valentine's. You can give them to whoever you want, coworker, a friend, your hubby, your wife. I'm sure whoever you give it to is going to love it, because I think they came out so cute. I'm especially loving these little bonbons with the heart shape. I think you can even make an arrangement just with bonbons. I think that would be very cute as well. It's optional. I love the fact that you can add, take away, and you're going to end up with a very cute Valentine's arrangement. I hope you make your own. And if you do, let me know. I would love to see it. And here's a final close-up. Look at how cute these boxes are. And for $1, you cannot go wrong. They are the perfect vessel for a Valentine's arrangement.